Hello friends, in this video we will see the top value for money 3 burner gas stoves. Maximum features, minimum cost. If your top priority is simple, durable and exceptionally easy to clean gas stove that doesn't demand a hefty investment, then this segment is your ultimate guide. 3 value for money cooktops built for the demands of daily Indian cooking, featuring revolutionary cleaning system you absolutely need to see. Efficiency and low maintenance are now non-negotiable. Prestige Swatch GTSD. This stove is perfect for small to medium families of 3 to 4 members. So why it is super? The name Swatch means clean and that's its superpower. It has a patented liftable burner set that lets you easily raise the entire top section, giving you clear access to wipe away every single spill underneath the glass. This simple feature solves the biggest headache of gas stove cleaning, making maintenance effortless. Beyond the easy clean feature, it's a solid, reliable cooktop with a high-efficiency brass burners that heat quickly and evenly, making it the smartest choice for long-lasting, low-maintenance appliance. Customers absolutely love the easy-to-clean design. It's a reason most people buy it. Elica Vetro 773CT. Next great option in sleek and reliable stoves. The Elica Vetro is all about solid construction and stability. It features a rust-resistant stainless steel base with a heavy-duty Euro-coated pan supports. These strong grids provide superior grip and stability for all types of Indian cookware and are also designed to be highly resistant to wear and tear and easy to clean. It's a stylish, durable cooktop with a good mix of burner sizes for effortless multitasking. Glen 1033 GTBB. Overall, the best value for money gas stove. This model is all about powerful cooking on a budget. It features high-efficiency brass burners on a sleek, toughened glass top. Glen ensures the burners are always faced, which is a critical feature on a 3-burner unit, allowing you to comfortably use 3 large pots simultaneously. It's an ISI certified, a powerful and durable cooktop that provides excellent value for money and excellent everyday cooking needs. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.